as a leader among all states. In the last year and a half, our Honorable Chief Minister, this award is a மதிப்பிற்குரிய முதல்வர் அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களே, சட்ட பேரவை அலுவலர்களே, நண்பர்களே, என் இனிய தமிழ சகோதர சகோதரிகளே, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இம்மன்றத்தில் 23ஆம் ஆண்டிற்கான சட்டமன்ற பேரவையின் முதல் கூட்டத்தில் என் உரையை ஆற்றுவதில் பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். என் எளிய தமிழ சகோதர சகோதரிகளுக்கும் இம்மன்றத்தில் உள்ள அனைவருக்கும் ஆங்கில புத்தாண்டு வாழ்த்துக்களையும் வர திருநாளாம் பொங்கல் திருநாள் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த புத்தாண்டில் நம்ம மாநிலத்தில் மகிழ்ச்சியும் வளமும் வளர்ச்சியும் மென்மேலும் பெருக்க உள்மாறு அந்த வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். வரப்புயர் நீர் உயரும், நீர் உயர் மேல் உயரும், மேல் உயர குடி உயரும், குடி உயர கோல் உயரும், கோல் உயர கோல் உயர்வார். என் அவையாரின் முதுமொழியை சொல்லி என் உரையை தொடங்குகிறேன். In the past 50 years, Tamil Nadu has grown significantly in multiple sectors to become a pioneering state in the country. During the 1960s, Tamil Nadu was lagging behind in social, economic, educational and health indicators when compared to other bigger states. However, today it stands tall as a leader among all states. In the last year and a half, our Honorable Chief Minister has led the government on this development path through his untiring efforts and diligence. As a result, Tamil Nadu has been adjudged the best performing big state. வாழிய செந்தமிழர், வளகா நற்றமிழர், வாழிய பாரதமணி திருநாடு, வளகா பாரதம், ஜெய்ஹிந்த். மதிப்பிற்குரிய முதல்வர் அவர்களே, மரியாதைக்குரிய சட்டமன்ற உறுப்பினர்களே, சட்ட பேரவை அலுவலர்களே, ஊடக நண்பர்களே, என் இனிய தமிழ சகோதர சகோதரிகளே, அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். இம்மன்றத்தில் 23ஆம் ஆண்டிற்கான சட்டமன்ற பேரவையின் முதல் கூட்டத்தில் என் உரையை ஆற்றுவதில் பெரும் மகிழ்ச்சி அடைகிறேன். என் இனிய தமிழ சகோதர சகோதரிகளுக்கும் இம்மன்றத்தில் உள்ள அனைவருக்கும் ஆங்கில புத்தாண்டு வாழ்த்துக்களையும் வர திருநாளாம் பொங்கல் திருநாள் வாழ்த்துக்களையும் தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். இந்த புத்தாண்டில் நம்ம மாநிலத்தில் மகிழ்ச்சியும் வளமும் வளர்ச்சியும் மென்மேலும் பெருக்க உள்மாறு அந்த வாழ்த்துக்களை தெரிவித்துக் கொள்கிறேன். வரப்புயர் நீர் உயரும், நீர் உயர் மேல் உயரும், மேல் உயர குடி உயரும், குடி உயர கோல் உயரும், கோல் உயர கோல் உயர்வான். என் அவையாரின் முதுமொழியை சொல்லி என் உரையை தொடங்குகிறேன். In the past 50 years, Tamil Nadu has grown significantly in multiple sectors to become a pioneering state in the country. During the 1960s, Tamil Nadu was lagging behind in social, economic, educational and health indicators when compared to other bigger states. However, today it stands tall as a leader among all states. In the last year and a half, our Honorable Chief Minister has led the government on this development path through his untiring efforts and diligence. As a result, Tamil Nadu has been adjudged the best performing biggest state in India today's recent State of the State survey. This award is for people of Tamil Nadu to celebrate Pongal in a festive manner. The Honorable Chief Minister has ordered the distribution of ₹1,000 as cash assistance, 1 kilogram raw rice, 1 kilogram sugar and 1 sugar cane to each of the 2.19 crore rice card holders in the state at a total cost of ₹2,429 crore. The distribution has been inaugurated by the Honorable Chief Minister. This government's deft management of Manda cyclone and northeast monsoon minimized damages in Chennai city to a great extent. In particular, construction of a stormwater drains for a length of 261 kilometers, another flood mitigation projects worth rupees 1,335 crore in Chennai city. Further construction of 360 kilometers of high priority drains of Kosasti basin was completed on a war footing. As a result, major areas of the core city, which were severely flooded last year, witnessed minimal stagnation during this monsoon. The traffic disruption caused by heavy rains was largely controlled and the city was quickly restored to normalcy. I convey my appreciation to this government for its exemplary and effective management of the Mandar cyclone and northeast monsoon rains. This government, which functions on Mutamid Arinar Kalainar's philosophy of though we may fall, Tamil should flourish, is taking all steps to protect the rightful place of Tamil language. This government will continue to urge that all state languages should be accorded the official language status. Several states, including Tamil Nadu, had joined the GST regime, foregoing their fiscal autonomy on the assurance that their revenues will be protected. In line with its commitment to providing good governance in the current year, under the Mudalvarin Mugavari scheme, out of 17.70 lakhs petitions received so far, more than 16.28 lakh petitions have been disposed. In order to ensure satisfactory resolution of these petitions, a monitoring unit has been established. Due to the economic crisis and resultant food shortage in Sri Lanka, the government of Tamil Nadu extended humanitarian assistance to Sri Lankans and sent rice, milk powder, and life-saving medicines worth rupees 174 crore. The aid extended by the government of Tamil Nadu in these trying times has been widely appreciated. Due to the economic crisis, 216 Sri Lankan Tamils have come to Tamil Nadu and have been accommodated in camps where they are being provided with food, clothing, and basic amenities. This government is continuously taking measures to prevent drug smuggling, including a stringent enforcement of law and awareness creation among people. To provide people with qualitative and consistent service delivery, this government has embarked on an initiative, Nam Pagudi, Nam Nyaya Vilay Kadai, to modernize public distribution shops. So far, 4,455 shops have been given a facelift. As a result of this government's proactive planning and efforts in desilting waterways and canals, coupled with a favorable monsoon, Mettu Dam was opened 19 days ahead of the scheduled time for Kuruvai cultivation. This government has announced an increase in procurement price of cow and buffalo milk by rupees 3 per litre without affecting the interest of the consumers. This has benefited 4.20 lakh milk producers in the state. This government accords highest priority for the welfare of fishermen and is proactively undertaking several development schemes. Construction of 5 new fishing harbors and improvement works in existing 3 fishing harbors at a total cost of rupees 982.30 crore are in progress. Tamil Nadu has emerged as the forerunner in climate change mitigation in the country. In order to provide suitable policy directives on issues related to climate change, the Tamil Nadu Governing Council on Climate Change has been constituted with international experts under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister. Further, to strengthen the state's efforts to climate change adaptation and mitigation, a climate summit was conducted by this government in Chennai on 8th and 9th December 2022. The government is taking steps to protect the critically endangered state animal Nilgiri Tar and has sanctioned Project Nilgiri Tar at a cost of Rs 25.14 crore. Under the Wetland Mission, Tamil Nadu has successfully obtained accreditation for 13 new Ramsar sites, the highest in the country. This government is committed to strongly asserting its rights on interstate river disputes. While maintaining friendly relations with neighboring states, this government will not permit any act that would be detrimental to the farmers of Tamil Nadu. The government is taking all necessary steps to prevent the construction of Mekadatu Dam. The reservoir level in Mullaperiyar Dam is presently at 142 feet, and the government is taking all efforts to further increase it. This government urges that a water disputes tribunal may be constituted at the earliest as per the orders of the Honorable Supreme Court on the issue of unauthorized diversion of water from Penayar River by Karnataka. To address the increasing burden of non-communicable diseases, Makkalai Thedi Marutuvam, a scheme was launched by this government to provide free home-based healthcare services at people's doorsteps. So far, 1.01 crore people have availed services in comfort of their homes under this program. Students in schools. Despite having aspirations to learn, many students are unable to concentrate in studies as they come hungry to schools in the morning without eating breakfast. To address this problem, the Chief Minister's breakfast scheme has been launched, which adds a new dimension to the noon meal scheme. In the first phase, this scheme is being implemented in 1,545 government primary schools, benefiting 1.14 lakh students daily in rural areas. The Anait Gram Anna Marumalarchi Thittam has been relaunched by this government to ensure equitable and holistic development of all rural habitations. In 2022-23, works are being undertaken in 2,544 panchayats at a total cost of Rs 1,155 crore. This government has undertaken works to renovate Periyar Ninaiva Samatwapurams, which was established by Mutamil Harinar Kalanar. The government will overcome any challenges in achieving this goal and successfully take Tamil Nadu on a high growth trajectory. This year, I hope that all of you will constructively participate in legislative debates, enact required legislations for the welfare of people and socio-economic growth of the state, and extend cooperation to the government's endeavor in achieving these objectives. I once again wish everyone a very happy New Year and Pongal, and conclude my address with the immortal words of Mahakavi Bhartiyar. Valiye Santamidu, Valaga Nattamidur, Valiye Bharatmani Tirunadu, Valaga Bharatam Jai Hind.
Channel, bell button